Morning, Primary 2. I hope you're all doing well today. We're going to do a little bit more 3D shape work. We're going to remind ourselves of the properties of a 3D shape. Now remember, properties are words we use to describe a shape. The shape properties you learned last week with Miss Caldo were vertices, which is where two edges meet or a corner, edges, straight or curved lines along the side of a shape, and faces or surfaces. We're going to call them faces today. So you can imagine there's a nice big face on each of these large areas on this cube. Okay, so who's in the bag is the game we're playing today. I have a bag full of 3D shapes and I'm going to describe some of them. Then I would like you to guess what the 3D shape is before I pull it out of the bag. So let's have a ruffle around for this first shape. Okay, I've got it. Remember, I can't see it, so I'm just using my hands to describe it. This shape has got no vertices, no corners. It has got no edges either. It's got one face, and that face is curved. What is this shape? Can you tell? I'll give you a hint. It feels a bit like an orange or a tennis ball. You're right, it's a sphere, a ball shape. Spheres have got no edges, they've got no vertices, but they've got one big curved face. Curved means rounded like this. Okay, let's put that sphere to the side. What is the next shape in the bag? Okay, now this shape here has got, gosh, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices, 8 corners. It has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. All of the faces are flat and all of the edges are straight. So it's got straight edges, 8 vertices and 6 flat faces. Oh, and I should say that all of the faces and the edges are the same size. So this shape is all equal to itself. Can you figure out what it is? It's a cube. A cube. Cubes have got all the same length, edges and faces. All flat faces too. Okay, what have I got next in here? Oh, this is a good one. This shape has got 3 faces. 2 of those faces are flat and 1 is curved. It's got 2 edges and the 2 edges are also curved. This shape has got no vertices. And what is this shape? I'll give you a hint if you're stuck. This shape is the same shape as a can of Coca-Cola. Are you ready? It is a cylinder. Cylinders have got one big curved face or one big curved surface, 2 flat surfaces, and 2 curved edges. No vertices. I'll put that one down. Okay, what's the next one? Oh, this is a tricky one. Think very carefully. This shape has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. It has got 6 flat faces and it has got straight edges. Sounds an awful lot like a cube, doesn't it? But there's something different about this shape. 2 of its faces are square, 4 of its faces are rectangular. What shape sounds like that? It's got the same properties just about as a cube, except the faces are different shapes, or different sizes as well. Can you guess what it is? Sounds like a cube, but it's a cuboid. And remember, when you're trying to remember the name for cuboid, I always think it's like a cube going, "Oi, you've stretched me out. Cuboid." Cuboid. Right, I have got one more shape in this bag. This shape has got one curved surface and one flat surface, or one curved face and one flat face. And it has got one curved edge. What is this? Now it has got a point, but it's not a vertex because there's not two edges that meet at this point. Oh, that's strange. I haven't talked about that before. So it's got one curved edge, one flat face, one curved face, and a point. Oh, if I hold this shape upside down, it feels a little bit like I could have an ice cream in it. What is this shape? 3, 2, 1, a cone. Now, cones are really interesting because they've got a point at the top. I would want to call this a vertex, but it's not, because a vertex is when there are two or more edges meeting at one point, and this hasn't got any edges meeting at that point. We have got a curved edge here, but it doesn't go up to here. We've got a flat face, and we've got a nice flat, curved face here as well. Delicious. Oh, I wish this was full of ice cream right now. Right, everyone, thank you very much for joining me this morning for what's in the bag, or who's in the bag. If you have got a bag or a box at home and you've got some household objects that you can shove into it, why don't you play this game with someone in your house, or even with yourself? It's quite a good guessing game if you have your hands in and you can't see. Thank you so much. Really missing you all as always, and I hope to see you again soon. Can't wait to see your videos. Bye!